现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song on Icrt. I am Joseph Lin. 每年6月就是结婚的旺季，所以呢，我们来用这一首吉娜罐子的新婚快乐、幸福快乐来祝福这个月要结婚的新人们吧。That's right, Just Get Married. That's the title of this song by Gina's Can, Gina 罐子的幸福快乐。And you know, this month is actually a peak month for marriage and weddings. And it's said that those married in this month will be happier and have more fortune. And anyone who listens to this song will feel happy and blessed as well. 没错，6月结婚，听说新郎幸福，新娘快乐啊。因此啊，这首歌在2013年荣获惊喜客家婚礼歌曲的首奖哦。All right, anyone getting married soon? This is a great wedding song to have. And I wish you all the best in the future. What a romantic song. We will see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.